I am Benita Benedict, known as a dance writer. I am from Bangalore and I want to narrate a very personal piece of mine which has been titled as Thanks and You. Pretty sure at least once in our day-to-day life we all say thank you to our dear ones. If I am questioned, I would answer, I am bad at being sorry. For me, it is not as easy to be thankful enough. And at times, when the fault is mine, I will take day and night to think if I should really be sorry and only then apologize if I feel like. And I wouldn't mind letting my ego win, but it's difficult for me to utter the word sorry. And the word thank you has changed the entire story. Thanks and you. How easy in life it is to simply say thank you. Dear listeners, I am not talking about that thank you when I thank my dad for buying me a new dress, or thanking my mom for serving me yum food, or to my sister because she shared me her makeup kit, or my brother because he gave me the bike key. No, not that. I am not talking about the thank you when I thank people for sending me warm birthday wishes, or to that good friend of mine who was always there for me. No, not that. For me, the word thank you has left me incomplete. One evening when I sat near my window with a cup of tea, I started to think. Should I thank him for all that he has done for me, or should I thank him for all the pain he has given me? Should I thank him for being there for me when I had my friends, or should I thank him for not being there for me when I had none? Should I thank him for making me the strongest due to his ignorance, or should I thank him for winning the competition all alone without his help? Should I thank him for not being there by my side, or should I thank him for not disappointing his close ones? For what should I thank? You know, it is just like that two different words that sound the same but spells different, and those chocolates that taste similar but the wrapper doesn't. What is the real meaning of that two words, thank you? I'm sure it's not as precious as the words love you. It was then I decided to make this thank you precious. Precious, and be thankful enough to the ones who really deserve it and who are the reason for my presence. Well, I'm not going to thank the Almighty, my parents, my teachers, my friends, my siblings. No, because this thank you is something very special. My very first poem. My very first poem was written on something which I truly believe in, and that is smile. Though it takes a mile to just give a smile, we should learn to give one because that will help someone. It is the biggest feeling which is the best healing. It makes us bright and leads us to greater heights. It is not that easy, but makes us very cozy. It is a feeling that comes to all blessings well. Just give a smile though it takes some miles. This was my first poem. People laughed at it when they read this. People laughed at it when they heard this. People just laughed at my rhyming. And I wasn't astonished. Instead, I was very happy. You know, the poem's smile has made them all laugh. And today, I am thankful to all of them. It's because they laughed, I started writing better ones. Thanks to the ones who laughed at me, thanks to the ones who laughed at my rhyming, and I just want you to understand, every rhyming has a meaning. Every rhyming has a meaning, and that meaning has a reasonable feeling. Thanks to my friend. Thanks to my friend who ditched me, thanks to my best friend who bitched about me, thanks to my classmate who hated me, thanks to that mate who competed with me, yes, thank you. Thanks to that stranger who was my advisor and in no time, with no reason, is a stranger again, thank you. Thanks to that passerby who said, hold my hand, I'll never leave, but just left in a blink of an eye. Thank you. Thanks to that special one who promised to be special and who is just lost and forgotten to be special. Thank you. Thank you for considering a reason to enter my life, and now you have turned out to be a reason. Thank you. Thank you for leaving me, because that's what made me stronger. Thank you for not keeping up the promises made. Thanks for being a reason for me to talk about. It's because you left. It's because you left today I could pen something about you. It's because you left I have a topic to speak about. It's because you left I have a question to ask myself. It's because you left I became a writer every day. Thank you. It is because of you. It is because of you I wonder why the sky is blue. It is because of you I admire the dew. It is because of you today I meet few. It is because of you why I grew. It is because of you I am always true. It is because of you I learned to say thank you. It is because of you I know to differentiate thanks and you. It's simply because of you. Hence, thank you. Thanks to TPS family for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and don't forget to subscribe to TPS family to receive more such awesome contents.